Hello everyone. In this video, I have used only the paint brushes for making these dots. Please check out the materials listed here. I have taken a canvas sheet followed with the paints and paint brushes with the different round sizes on its back side, followed by basic stationeries. View the complete video for finding the two different unique patterns of dottings. I had just masked the edges and I'm applying a black base coat on my canvas sheet. Once it is dried completely, take your ruler and mark the center of your canvas sheet. You can check out these steps in my detailed video, which I will give the link in the description box. Now use your paintbrush, which is bigger in size, to make the center dot. Select a theme and choose colors accordingly. Now here I have taken the cool colors and I have taken a very small thin brush and I am starting the immediate dottings, that is small dots. You can see me in this video marking the 4 dots on one single color followed by the different 4 colors. Once the first circle is completed, for the second circle, for this unique pattern, you have to keep the color, like in this video you can see the green color I am placing a little right to the previous one. The same way you have to follow for all the colors. Wipe the dotting tool using a rough cloth after every use of single color. Increase the size of the dots by using the next size brush and follow the same step by keeping the dots a single right to the previous one. I hope you could able to analyze the pattern that is forming. When you plan for minimum of 2 shades, this pattern will looks nice. Throughout this video, you can find me using only the paint brushes for making these dots. I'm just finishing off my pattern formed, and now I'm going to start with the basic dottings, that is only the circular pattern. Use different sizes of brush for adjusting the dots on the space available. Now let's begin with the pattern 2. The same way I had applied the base black, and I'm making the center dot with a big brush. I have used the warm colors, that is yellow, orange and red shade. Repeating the steps of making the dots right side to the previous one. Here is like a twist. I'm just reversing the dots, that is left side of the previous one. It will be little confusing, but still you can make it. Just remember the direction and the count. That is, here I have made 3 right and then 3 left. I am repeating the pattern. These patterns will really help you to improve your concentration, and it will give you a calmness. Now begin with the second twist. For both these patterns, just make sure you're increasing the brush size for every circle. The repeat of the twist is totally your choice. It can be 2, 3, 4, 5, anything. And it totally depends on the project size, what you are going to do. Repeat the pattern or simply close it like with a dot circle. If you like this pattern, please give a thumbs up and give your views on the comment section. Thank you for watching.